Underground, and thank you for tuning into today's review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Rincoe Ceto Pod Kit. This was sent to me by Rincoe. It's a nice little device, perfect size for a pod. I love it. I have used it already, so I will tell you a little bit about it when I go to the up close video. For the time being, the Rincoe Ceto is available in 5 different colours. They have sent me the rainbow one here. It's also available in, I believe, blue, black, silver and gold, and obviously rainbow. As you can see on the box, it looks pretty in the rainbow colour. And to be fair, I've seen the other colours as well on their website. They do look pretty nice as well. Just so you guys know who it is, it's rincoe.com. Check them out. They do lots of hardware, pod systems and stuff like that. So they're definitely worth a check out. And you can also find them on the sponsor page on the Vape Underground Facebook page. What I'll do now is I will swivel the camera around and we'll do the up close part of this video. And then afterwards I'll have a little demonstration with the pod system up and running and give you my honest thought and feedback. Guys, thank you for staying tuned and I will see you shortly. Take care. Welcome back, guys, and thank you for staying put. We are now going to open up the Rincoe Ceto pod device and take a look at what's inside the box. I have previously used this, so I wanted to give you guys the honest review. Therefore, everything's been put back in the box as it come, and we will go through and have a little chat about it. When I open the box here, first of all, you get all the usual bump you get with it. A little user manual which tells you about the device. It's in Chinese and English. You also get a quality certificate and a after sales service and warranty card. It's always good to keep them safe just in case you have any problems with your device, so you can return it to the manufacturer or get some advice and guidance from them. Also in the box you have the micro USB charging cable and the Ceto pod itself. I will get the Ceto pod out and we can have a look at it. Straight away, hopefully you can see this part here, it's got like a carbon fibre effect. It is textured. This allows for you to be able to use the device with ease without it slipping from your hand. The device itself is really light, comfortable to hold, fits in the palm of your hand, so it's also quite discreet. And when we go around the device, on the top hand corner just here, you have the mouthpiece. It is quite a small mouthpiece, however, I find you get a good amount of vape out of it. Going around the device, I hope you can see everything clearly. You have the LED function light just above my finger here. And then the further you go around, you have the micro USB charging port, which is also just above my finger. Going into the device itself, it comes in 2 parts. This is the cartridge and this is the pod. They clip together with ease. They only fit one way round, so you're not going to be making any mistakes there. This device does come with a built-in battery with a capacity of 370 milliamp hours, which for me gives me around a day and a half, and that's if I use it quite often. A day and a half use is not bad at all. It also has a pre-built-in coil which has a 1.3 ohm resistance, and it also has an output of 3.3 volts. The juice itself goes in the top of the device just here. There is a little black rubber here. What you pull up, you feel the juice. It can hold 2 mil of juice, which for a pod is not bad at all. This pod also comes with a 4 different safety features. It has charging protection, short circuit protection, low voltage protection, and a 10-second cutoff, which basically means if you use this device and you're pulling on it for more than 10 seconds, it will automatically cut out, and that stops any overheating or anything like that. The LED battery indicator, which is also a really good idea on this device. It basically, when it's fully charged, it stays a constant blue. When it's more than half charged, it will flash blue, and when it's ready to be charged, it will be red. So when you get a red light on it, you know to put it on charge. Like I said, the battery can be charged by the micro USB, which you do get in the box. It will just fit into a standard USB plug, but just make sure you're using the correct ampage, because you don't want to overcharge or blow the device. It's always careful on what plugs you are using. Like I said, it does pull together just like that. There's no fire button, so all you do is you put it back together and then you pull it straight away and it's good to go. So what I'll look to do now is I will look to go back up top. There is always some juice in it, like I said, because I have used it before, and I'll give you the pros and cons about the device and my general thoughts on what I thought of the Ceto. I'll see you back up top shortly, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Hi guys, thank you for staying tuned. Again, this has been the Ceto by Rincoe. That's rincoe.com if you wish to check them out. I will attach links to the video so you can have a little look at their devices. They do have some other devices available, some other pods and some other hardware as well. It's definitely worth giving them a look. Let's have a little go and I can tell you what I think honestly about it. I'll give you the pros and cons. There's lots of pros for this device. It is lightweight, it fits easily in your hand, it's discreet, so if you're somewhere where you can't vape really, you can have a quick pull on it and you could probably get away with it. I love the fact that it comes with a built-in battery. 370 milliamp hours doesn't seem a lot, but for me that gives me about a day and a half's usage out of it, and I'll use it quite a lot in that day and a half. So for me that is a really big bonus. It's also available in 5 different colours. I have the rainbow one here. There is other different colours, like I said at the beginning of the video. So you've got a choice of colours. The easy fillable tank is also another bonus. All you do is, like I said, you put up the black rubber here, you fill up the tank of juice, and away you go. The only downside I find to it is you only can they recommend you only refill the cartridge 5 times before you replace it. So that could get quite costly. However, it might last longer than 5 refills. We're not going to know until we've used it 5 times. My opinion is if it still works after 5 times, then keep on going until you need to change it. Like I said, guys, this has been the Rincoe Ceto Pod device. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, peace out. Keep it cloudy, guys.